welcome back to another exciting episode of North Meets South by Satish and Stuti. As we promised, we will come back with another episode where we will tell you how well Ranon has picked up in 1 month time. We are in a beautiful place over here. Behind me is a beautiful orchard with different types of trees. It is a lovely big landscape and it's a private property, but we chose this spot because it is looking very beautiful. And on to our right we have a lovely big mountain entirely covered with green trees. So guys, coming back to the skateboarding skill which my son has just acquired in 1 month time, I believe he has picked up really well. So here is our son, Ranon.
Hello.
Oh, cool. So he says hi to all our dear friends. He is well equipped, ready for the action, and it's been 1 month since he's been practicing, friends. And some of my people have written to us that they have also bought a skateboard. It's a lovely skateboard which we have got it from Amazon. The link will be given in the description. Please go ahead and buy because we are giving a kind of review of how good the skateboard is. It's a wonderful sport. So now let's just get into the action of how Ranon will perform on the skateboard. But before getting into the action part, friends, if you're here watching us for the very first time,
Please subscribe.
like it and share our videos with your friends. Remember to write to us in the comment section if you too are a skateboard lover, a wonderful sport and an exciting sport. So buddy, are you ready?
Yes.
Oh yeah, the kid is ready. So let's get into the action now. Hey Ranon, see, there are lovely tapioca trees. There are even suparika tree, I think, or a palm tree, mango trees and coconut trees. How beautiful this land will be looking after a couple of years, isn't it?
Especially like if it, after some years World War, if someone sniper will easily hide here.
All day playing? Free Fire, that's what the snipers is coming. Call of Duty also. Okay, son.
And Mama, do you know the origination of skateboarding?
No?
It was actually started in the 1950s when skiers who go the waves, they wanted to do something when there's low tides. When there's low tide, not much fun.
The surfers wanted to do something on the days when there is a low tide.
High tide.
Okay.
Low tide is not that fun. So they actually
came up with this.
And they actually took a surfing board
Uh-huh.
and attached some roller skates onto the bottom and then secured everything with like a big bolt and made it all strong. And they used like special wood, and then after that then they started testing it out. And then it became a huge fashion around the 1950s in California.
1950 in California. So the skateboard originated way back in 1950 in California. So it has a long history. Well, not that popular in our country,
and
but in different other parts of the world.
There's two types of skateboard.
Yeah.
One is a short board,
Yeah.
which is just like this, just a classic or iconic skateboard.
Iconic skateboard, okay.
And there's another one, which doesn't have this hoop, but it's like way longer.
Okay.
It's not meant for tricks because it's more heavier. So
And it's just like a plank.
Yeah, so you cannot like flip with it or do any crazy stunts with it.
Okay.
That's why the use of a long board is for cruising around. Like as you go up that mountain, you'll go really fast.
Because you'll catch the momentum as you're coming
weight,
down.
Yeah, because of the weight.
Right.
And since it's longer, they can make more aerodynamic and you have more area to change the thing. For me, it's only just a short area, but it's lightweight and amazing for tricks.
So you want a skateboard on which you can perform some tricks. Oh, cool. That's a nice one.
Currently, I know one trick.
Okay. So would you like to show our friends what trick you have picked up?
I would love to.
You will love to. Okay.
Okay, the first thing is to actually understand your board. So, this is the first time after unboxing and everything. This is your first step. You might have saw a video or something before you bought it, right? So you saw them just riding like this. But how do we ride is the question. So, to ride, there's no fun in just standing. So, to ride, we have to put one leg forward, like aiming forward, and other leg also aiming forward, of course. And don't put it too forward, otherwise you'll just fall out in the speed. So put your leg around the middle, and then you start pushing. Then you quickly put your back leg back onto where you started, and just keep on pushing. So, if you're thinking, what will happen to my shoes while I'm going again and again? Well, this is what happens to your shoes after just 1 month. If I just look here, there's my socks in there. It's already destroyed. I think I should super glue it.
So adding expense to the parents when kids are doing skateboarding, be ready to buy another pair of shoes.
Actually, take on like this waist shoes which you have used for a couple of years. It's already destroyed. My right leg shoe is already destroyed, so I just used it and I destroyed it even more. Don't buy expensive shoes. It's not worth the risk. So you might be thinking, how do we turn if there's an obstacle? You can't turn. There's no steering wheel that you can turn. It's a board on wheels. So you cannot use that way. So you have to use your center of mass to get it there. The problem with you doing this way is, if you go a little bit too much, you just fall out and get injured on your head. That's why I wear helmets. So how do we do it? So I learned skateboarding like this. I used to ride like this. I used to go everywhere just like this. The problem with that is, if I want to turn, I just fall down. So since my leg can go across the full thing, I can push up and down. So you can see my legs moving when the board moving when my legs move. So that's how we do it. And always have this sporty position, so you can actually turn properly. Otherwise, one side you'll just fall down too. If you do, and if you have I was a beginner. I had too much control. See, like this, I used to put little bit on the right here. So I had amazing going right turn, but left turn I used to just fall out like that. So after adding all the tips which I gave you, this is how I ride while turning. You can see, you have to use your gravity to actually turn the board.
Friends, I hope this small video would be a really inspiring one and a one which would definitely give you tips on how Ranon has learned all by himself just by practice and trying his own stunts, trying his own skills to be a better person as a skateboarder. Right? So you've done a good job, Sunny boy.
Yeah. And I also want to add something.
Yeah.
You cannot learn a sport, like an extreme sport, without falling. I've fallen twice, once with the Osmo on my chest.
And here he is having the helmet mount.
Don't worry, FPP is coming. I have actually fallen while the Osmo is on my chest. It was very scary. I didn't want the Osmo to break. So there's actually a tip while you're falling. If you are on a hard surface, which we drive, or road, most of the time we fall sideways or around that area. So instead of falling face first like this, I put it like this way.
Okay, right. So you went your whole thing on your elbow.
Yeah, elbow.
Osmo.
Yeah, elbow and knee pad. These two take the hit. That's it. That's a pretty nice city on
so
the
that
road.
is why, friends, it's very important if you are doing this extreme sport. It's not an easy one. It doesn't have any brake, just as we have it in the bicycle. So friends, if you are doing it, please remember always to put your helmet, put your elbow pads and also your knee pads, and of course you have to have your shoes and socks on. Right?
Yeah.
So shall we say bye-bye to our friends?
Yes. Bye.
We'll catch you in the next video. I hope you have subscribed our channel. If not, still waiting, just hit on the subscription button, bell icon, write to us in the comment section and let us know your precious views about it. We'll catch you in another exciting episode of North Meets South by Satish and Stuti. It's Ranon, Stuti, Satish and Ruel saying bye-bye.
Bye.